Hello, and welcome to this Experian Hitwise training video. Today, we're going to learn about the advanced features of Clickstream, which we call Click Reliance and Click Departure. Let's dive straight in. So here's the Hitwise interface, and this is one of our standard Clickstream reports. For this example, I've chosen a downstream report from Facebook, as this is a website most people are reasonably familiar with, and a website which delivers a lot of traffic to other websites. In fact, Facebook is the second biggest source of traffic in the UK after Google, and we can see here that in October 2011 there are over 669,000 websites visited immediately after Facebook. At the moment this is just a standard downstream report, but let's say I work in the online fashion industry and I want to understand which of my competitors is getting the most traffic from Facebook. I can do this simply by using the filter button here on the right hand side and then selecting the apparel and accessories category and clicking generate report. If I wanted to be more specific, I could create a custom category of competitors, but for now let's focus on the websites listed here. We can see now the fashion retailers which are receiving traffic from Facebook for the month of October 2011. At the top of the list here, Topshop, ASOS, Next and New Look are all very tightly grouped in terms of the amount of traffic they are receiving from Facebook, with 0.14% of all visits leaving Facebook going to Topshop and ASOS, and 0.12% of all traffic going directly to Next and New Look. But which of these retailers is most reliant on Facebook traffic? By scrolling up to the metric toolbar and selecting Clicks and Reliance, we can see very quickly what proportion of the total traffic coming to each website is coming from Facebook. This is exactly the same as running an upstream report, but the beauty of using Click Reliance is that it allows you to see both upstream and downstream in one easy table. The Click Reliance report will always rank by reliance as a default, so by clicking here on the Clicks tab, we can see those websites which receive the most traffic from Facebook and how reliant those websites are on Facebook traffic. In our example here, we can see that Next and New Look receive almost exactly the same volume of clicks from Facebook, but that New Look is almost twice as reliant on that traffic as Next. The traffic that Next receives from Facebook accounts for just over 5% of the total visits coming to that website, whereas for New Look, nearly 10% of its traffic comes from Facebook. What this shows is that Facebook is an important channel for Next, but not nearly as important as it is for New Look. Click Departure works in a similar way to Click Reliance, but starts with the upstream data and then adds the downstream data to the overall view. In this example, I've taken the upstream websites visited before the insurance category. I've filtered this report with a custom category of financial aggregators to see which of the aggregators insurance sites rely on the most for their traffic. You can see from the upstream data here that Money Supermarket is the biggest source of traffic overall. 1.56% of all visits to insurance websites in October 2011 came from Money Supermarket, so the industry depends on this aggregator more than any other. If we now add the Click Departure metric, we can see how Money Supermarket's traffic compares to the other aggregators in the field. We can see that Money Supermarket sends just over 12% of its traffic to insurance websites. But because Money Supermarket is a very diverse website, it also sends traffic to lots of other markets, in travel, utilities and shopping. Go Compare, on the other hand, is much more focused on the insurance sector, with nearly 30% of all visits leaving Go Compare going straight to an insurance website. To further your knowledge of the Hitwise tool, you can find more short videos on our YouTube channel, Hitwise UK. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with your client development manager. Thanks for listening.